In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly check which graphics card is installed on your Windows 10 computer. Whether you want to see if your PC has an NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card, or you're checking system requirements for games or software, this guide will make it very easy. Let's start with the simplest method. First, right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, click on Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, look for the option called Display Adapters. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the section. Here, you'll see the name of your graphics card. If your PC has both integrated and dedicated graphics, you may see more than one listed. Now let's look at another easy way. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type dxdiag and press Enter. When the DirectX Diagnostic Tool opens, click on the Display tab at the top. On this screen, you'll find detailed information about your graphics card, including its name, manufacturer, and memory size. There's also a third method using Task Manager. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. If it opens in Compact View, click More Details. Then go to the Performance tab and select GPU from the left side. Here you can see your graphics card name and real-time usage information. And that's how you check your graphics card on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.